the aircraft. Ghana more is a plane. Yeah. This is A319. I want A318. Focus on what we are doing. A318. This plane cost $75 million. Can you focus on what we are doing, sweet? Thank you very much. $78 million. The 19, which came first, is costing $89 million. Then we have the A320. This one is costing $98 million. Then we have an A321. This one is costing $114 million. Now, if we had bought this, or possibly bought the Boeing 737-900ER flight, this particular, not this one, Boeing 737, I have flown this flight, I know them by heart. This particular plane was going to cost us $112 million. The one that came before this one is the, Embraer. And this is a small plane. We could use it. Accra, Kumasi, Accra, Takoradi, Accra, whatever. And if we were going to use it, this is $40 million. And so if we wanted to buy just 5 of this, and for 10 years only, if we run it for only 1 year, we were going to pay for $40 million in just 1 year. It will be paid off. Every flight, it will pay the aircraft, it will pay staff, it will pay utilities like aviation fuel and servicing. It will pay it in 1 year. And so if that pit was used for airline industry by 9 years, all the youth sitting here in this building must have a job to do. Yeah. Okay, let's go. If let me show you a hospital in Qatar. I took 3 or 4. This is a hospital in Qatar. This is an Islamic nation. Praise the Lord for Masumra. This is a hospital in Qatar. Let me show you the last hospital in Qatar. This is a hospital. Ministry of Public Health in Qatar. Compare Kolebu. No, I won't do that.